This is another episode of Taste of 20. So I'm going to do a review on a jigsaw with the adapter, and I made it into a Tim Tam, a generic Tim Tam. So how it works is you can use it to massage your body, which also can include your lower back. Right here, right? So I got this off of Amazon, so you can easily take it apart like this and put it back on. And you can use variable speeds on it based on how much you press this trigger. So you can go slow or fast. And it's very necessary if you have achy muscles and body parts. You can use this to take care of any sore muscles. So I'll leave each of the Amazon links below, affiliate links. I hope you press and like and share this, as well as make a purchase. So all of this costs about $100, give or take 10 bucks. Actually, more like take 10 bucks, more like 110. But yeah, smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll do more reviews and show you how to use it in other videos.